you then actually did research at a nuclear power plant, which I now actually find interesting that you said your dad still does that now with stuff for nuclear power plants.
We inspired each other. I got the opportunity. It's not something I went to a nuclear power plant and then asked, so can I kind of nose around a little bit? But it was actually a PhD research of somebody else, Gert van den Ede. I think he still works in academia in Belgium. And he was doing his PhD in Tilburg at the time. And for data collection, they had this idea that they could bring some master students along, to do interviews. And in the end, we ended up doing these interviews together. So we went to the power plant. It was dual nuclear power plant near Antwerp in Belgium. I think I visited the place like 4 or 5 times. I don't really recall. It's been 10 years. It was insanely interesting, not just because of the organization itself, but also because of the technology underlying it. And I wanted to understand all of it. So I read all I could get my hands on about nuclear power plants. And my interest in terms of my thesis topic was about the reliability of a nuclear power plant and particularly the maintenance organization around that. So it was also obviously super important. I was also super interested in any kind of failure method. So I read everything I could about 3 Mile Island, about Chernobyl. Fukushima, of course, hadn't happened back then, but I read up on that as it happened as well. So there was kind of, it captured my interest in one side, the technology aspect of an organization like that. And on the other side, the societal or the organizational aspect. And that is a common theme throughout my career.